He shocked the world when he came out. So far, only China, South Korea, Japan and France can produce independently. LNG ships are not only a powerful tool for ocean transportation, it is also a national strategic reserve. The interior is equipped with a back about 60 centimeters per light slab to shield the gas from entering one fill for groups of warehouses with 20 centimeters Jianfangni Hejian, the height of the 9-story building, plus a 2-story dual-fuel engine block. To drive. Once filled, his power is equivalent to 60 walking Hiroshima atomic bomb. To understand it all at once, we must first understand the history of LNG. LNG was formerly a staff member in 1945, the Alamosa-class freighter of World War II, after 2 rounds of changing hands. Sold to a British company in 1958. Converted into the Pioneer, but the original design at that time. It uses 5 warehouse management. Evolution has now become 4, although the number has decreased, but the volume has proclaimed. Spherical with pattern and SPB homemade scale, and what we're going to make today. It is a common type of LNG ship by sea. It is an interlayer. It is not pressed in place. So let me show you how that works. The position consists of 3 employees. 2 people measure, 1 person controls the machine. You start by putting the board on the surface. Propulsive mobile observation. Make a mark on it once you find a gap. Effect of a jack. Just wrap it according to the angle of the steel plate. This increases welding stability, prevents sliding and collapse. What is used here is machine welding. It is also one of the few links where you can take a break from your busy schedule. The torch kneel here every day. The bottom part of the boat is less than a meter. An aircraft carrier will be overshadowed if you have no concept of aircraft carriers. So here's a stark contrast. This is a normal size bus. We line it up end to end. It actually takes more than 60 to be level with the hull. So 3 have been completed from 0 to 1. It is said that India has also put this plan on the agenda. It seems that India still does not want to be the third of the original volume of compressed paper. That is, let the original gas. For this purpose, the factory will install 2 layers of insulation panels inside the ship. Usually the board body is made by Nianjin, composed of multiple layers of glass fiber, and at the bottom, add a layer of polyurethane foam approximately 30 centimeters thick. Fiberglass and foam both resist heat. We took apart the hull with mustard. Inside it are 4 groups of 9-story tanks. Each group blocks each other and does not collude. The yellow material is the primary and secondary barriers. Then open the polyurethane foam. Start with this. Apply a layer of special adhesive insulation to the surface, then spread it into the hull in groups of 2. Once the whole process is manually laid, the quality inspection will be carried out immediately. Then put the alloy with a Ni content of 30%, a tad. Then you know, how much natural gas can the warehouse tank hold? That's 40,000 cubic meters compressed 60 times. There are 4 in this volume spaceship. The filling method is also very unique. Let's take a look at this unique biography library. It is said that his delivery speed is 13,000 cubic meters per hour. I want to fill it all in. It will take a day. Actually, the core component of the hull has to be the internal combustion engine. It's designed to be 2 stories tall. If industry, it's called a dual-fuel engine. The engine is divided into low speed to process and 4-stroke. 2 kinds of medium speed. You basically never run out of fuel when you're at sea. So the cockpit, console, they're packed with screens. This is a ship called the Garth Logs. It's often design that plays a crucial role. So, thanks also to Archimedes for discovering the welfare principle, optimizing hull structure design for future generations. Make a crucial contribution.